Hello everyone, welcome to Yuri Coffee Roasters headquarters, and today's video is about our Christmas blend Hullabaloo and create like a festive Christmas cocktail. So within our Hullabaloo blend we have Mexico Villa Corzo Women's Cooperative bringing the chocolate and the sweetness, and from India we have the body and the spices coming through, creating like a velvety cup of coffee. Now we are gonna brew our Hullabaloo Christmas blend with the Aeropres. We want to have like a strong filter coffee. The ratio for today is 1:10. So I'm using 12 grams of ground coffee and 120 grams of water as immersion process for 2 minutes. So we are using today Christmas Pudding Rye, and it's a whiskey from our friends in Oxford Distillery. It has been infused with orange and different spices to create this festive cocktail that is delicious. So we are using 60 ml, so one full and a little bit more. We are going to be using 50 ml of our strong filter coffee Aeropres Hullaballo Blend, freshly brewed. Now we are going to add 15 ml of sugar to balance the sweetness of the drink. And I'm using double cream oat cream, but you can use dairy milk if you wish. So it's 35 ml of cream to bring the creaminess of the drink, and it's really balanced with the whiskey and our coffee. And 15 ml of oat milk, or you can use dairy milk if you wish. Now we're gonna use fresh ice cubes from the freezer, so we don't want to dilute the drink so much. And we are ready to shake it. So we double strain our cocktail in a frozen glass. So we top up our drink with a few more ice cubes, always fresh from the freezer, and we finish our drink with the freshly grated cinnamon on top. And there we have our Hullabaloo spice latte. Enjoy.